One of the guys who were in the networking group was telling me about his teeth and how he wasn't able to chew. He's getting progressively, worse. And I'm listening to him, and I'm hoping that he's not coming to my dental office because I don't really know whether I would be able to help him out. We actually, with the networking group, we get together with different people and share a meal and get to know one another so we could pass business. And this person wasn't able. I took 2 bites of a hamburger and that's it, and then didn't continue eating. And I just felt like
Wow.
he wasn't enjoying the evening, or maybe the food wasn't to his taste. I didn't know what was going on. Anyways, he ended up coming to my dental office, and it was right after I took the Worn Dentition. And before that, I would have no idea what I could do on him. It would be a crown and bridge case, which I would hesitate to do because I wouldn't be sure whether I'd be able to help him or not. And it's a big expense, and I wouldn't want to put myself in that position of doing something that I didn't know how it was going to turn out. And I had spoken to him, off the record before he came to my office about Crown and Bridge, and he wasn't sure whether he wanted to invest so much money in his mouth. But it was a worn dentition case, CPR, right? CPR for worn dentition, and it worked out great. And so we did it. I did it probably in 3 sessions. I did it the first time, and he came back, and it wasn't right, and so I did it a second time, and I finally did it the third time, and the third time was a charm. It was humbling, but it was amazing at the same time because it was a case that I didn't think that I would be able to handle comfortably. Um, but I not only learned how to do it, but I also had the confidence to do it. And I think that I touched base with you either in a Friday morning
Hmm.
study club about it or an email about it, going back and forth, and that really enabled me to have the confidence to continue. So, and I was, and to this day, he's, always, singing my praises, which is amazing. It's amazing, right? So, right. And he told me why he didn't finish it, but I didn't know. He said, last time we were here, I wasn't able to finish the hamburger because I wasn't able to chew. I couldn't, too much food was getting stuck in my teeth. And I just said, forget about it. And so that's really amazing to be able to help someone to change somebody's life like that. So,
Right.
right. That was really amazing. That was a great case.